Okay, we're looking at Ruby Saltbush here. Some of the uses of it. Human uses, this is from Wikipedia. We've got Ruby Saltbush here. We're looking at some of the human uses. There are the red berries. The ripened fruit of Enchylaena tomentosa can be picked and eaten raw and is described as being salty, sweet in flavour, being picked by desert indigenous Australians as a snack food and is still frequently collected today. Indigenous groups of the McDonnell Ranges in Central Australia have been recorded to soak the fruits in water to make a sweetened tea. So you can eat them as a snack food or make them into an iced tea. Charles Sturt, on his explorations into the semi-arid interior, also recorded harvesting the leaves, which could be eaten as a vegetable after being boiled. So you can eat the leaves as a boiled vegetable. Major Thomas Mitchell noted on his explorations through the Lower Murray that children, that's the Murray River, I suppose, that children would also harvest the fruit to make pink facial decorations. There's some. Can you see that? Probably not. Oh, it is coming out a bit red.